so much for photo. It started recording like I planned to. I thought I hit a photo, but no. Snowy day. Oh, one of the doctors in Shields. Just waiting for a taxi to get home. Don't put all this personal information on it. You know, I'd have to ask their permission to be in a video. But anyway, how do I zoom in with this? Used to. They, I think I said, they didn't just about make it out. To speed down there when I was a kid, a young child really. I used to have friends in this area, and we just used to speed down bikes and skateboards. And way up at the top in the centre of your screen right now is the West Park. Not exactly enjoying the snow. Very cold out here. Looks like it won't last long, then I'll come on again later. It's pretty cloudy. Seemingly pretty windy over that way. Clouds are moving quite quick / fast. But yeah, come off home soon, and then I'll be recording you know talk things on. Then I'll let you know what a really nicely spoken doctor told me what my problem is with my chest. There's a pharmacy right outside here, but I think I'll just go to my local pharmacy. Right, loads of things to do. Right. I'm being watched by some guy sat in the car right now. Probably won't know what the hell I'm doing. He's got a better view of my screen than I have. Because this is like the back of the camera. Okay. Yeah, I'll keep you informed. Bye for now. I meant to say bye for now, but my voice is still really bad. Thanks for watching.